Hi guys, Yate Common again. It doesn't seem windy at the moment, so we're going to give the little biplane a go. This doesn't feel very windy, so we'll give it a little go. Hat camera on. Come on this way. Whoa. Oh. I'm having to give it absolute minimum throttle. Well, that wasn't quite what I was hoping for. Absolutely sure the other one flies better than this, but I didn't bring it. I had to do that with absolute minimum throttle. As soon as I gave it any more throttle, it just pitches up and stalls. But absolute minimum throttle, we were more or less flying level, vaguely. And I had to pulse the rudder to try and get some movement. We'll give that one more go. Oh, we've got a bit of height. Going to be in the tree? Not quite. Right. I think that's going to have to do. I think we're out of battery. Keeps dying now. I could put it back on charge, but I won't. We've got a couple of good flights out of it. I don't think it's as good as the other one I've got. The other one seemed more stable. We'll see. That'll do for today.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.